My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called Rajah. This is the ransomware that is able to considerably damage the files that users store on their hard drives. Before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. But sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Rajah ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. And then very soon users suddenly realize that something bad has taken place with their files and that the files are no longer accessible. So all these files get damaged and encrypted by this Rajah ransomware. So these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. You try to open the specific file, and this is the message that you get saying that Windows can't open this type of file with this Rajah extension. The same applies to all other files. It's impossible to open them. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This doesn't guarantee the file restoration, so don't waste your money. Don't pay that ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware urgently with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, so download the software, install the application, and then start researching your system. Combo Cleaner, by the way, will be initially in the trial mode, so only a quick scan option is available in the trial mode. You need to click on this Start Scan button, and then the scanning will begin. Most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is definitely essential. I want to emphasize your attention on several features of Combo Cleaner. For instance, there is a feature called anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature, however, is a part of the premium license only. Also, anti-ransomware feature helps to effectively detect and remove this ransomware from your computer. Of course, upgrading to premium license is required for this purpose, but you can always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. I want to emphasize your attention also on another fact, that Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files. It indeed helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files which were encrypted by this ransomware. But you may find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data. So Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively remove this ransomware and to protect your data in the future.